How can I make sure I know whenever a new record is created? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be creating a workflow starting with a new record in Airtable, and then we're going to use that information to create an email in Gmail. Alright, let's make a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Airtable to Gmail. And we're going to click inside of the trigger box. And we're going to select our trigger app, which is going to be Airtable. And the event that's going to initiate our trigger is a new record. Click Continue. Make sure you're connected to your Airtable account. The base within Airtable is my workload testing base. And the specific table that I want this workflow to monitor is my events table. Click Continue. And then I'm going to test this trigger to see if we can find any new records in our events table. So we have a new record. So we can use this to build our workflow. So I'm going to click Continue. We're going to add an action, and this is going to be in Gmail. And the action is going to be send an email. And make sure we're connected to Gmail. For the to and from, I'm just going to put in my email address. And we'll just copy and paste that in the from email and the reply email. You can set this up whatever works best for you. So if you're sending yourself a reminder, you would put your own email address here. If you want to send a message to your team whenever there's a new record in Airtable, you would put all of those people's email addresses here instead. The from name will be me. The subject I'm going to import from the trigger. So I'm going to click in the drop down menu, and the subject is going to be the name of the event by Fresh Tuna. And the body is going to be the details about the event. The notes, the location, and the date and time. And then we'll click Continue, and we'll test that action. And it looks like we have a success. I'm going to click Continue. I'm going to peek over at my Gmail. This is in my Sent folder. And we'll refresh that really quickly. And there it is. The subject is the name of the event. All the details of that event are contained within that email. So it looks like our workflow worked properly. We can come back over to the workload editor, check to make sure there's a green dot in the upper left-hand corner of each one of our nodes, and then we can turn on our workflow to activate it. And now every time there's a new record created in that specific table, it will send the details of that record in Gmail. That's an easy way to use Workload to integrate Airtable and Gmail. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any suggestions for other app pairings you want to see, or if you have any questions. You also should like this video, or click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I will see you next time.